Hi everyone, my name is Ngcobo. I am a mother of 4. Life has not been easy. I was sitting at home doing nothing, and then I heard of a course of sewing at Upskill Africa. I said, because I was doing nothing, let me go and attend the course of sewing. When I went there to attend the course, I learned a lot. I get to do courses of healing of memory, and I did Bible studies, which gave me a lot of revival biblically, because I am a Christian. We get to sit together in the course with foreign nationals, people from other countries. I learned a lot from them. I learned that they are able to do work with their hands, and then I got to get experience from them and learn from them, from that they can start business and they are able to manage business. When I did the sewing course, I learned sewing, and then I finished the course, and then I got a chance to also come back and work for Upskill Africa. I am now working as a trainer, a facilitator. I'm teaching students how to do sewing. I was so privileged to get the chance to work for them, because now I'm able to support our family. From foreigners, I learned that they are good with their hands, and then they taught me about their food, and I learned how to plant some of their vegetables. As I'm speaking now, me and my husband got a land, and then we started farming a veg called cassava, and now we are able to sell the veg and then help to support my family. I am so grateful for the opportunity that I got from Upskill, because I'm where I am today because of Upskill Africa. Thank you.